Oh, shit. That scared me. I'm sorry for cursing. That scared me, but Lord. Oh, look at that. That doesn't hurt no more. Mm. Mm. He the truth. Yeah. Dang, okay. Let's do the other side. Mm. 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 I can even stretch better. Wow. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I like that. That's relaxing too. With some endorphin release.
Yes.
Jeez, that's why that girl started crying. I almost cried a minute ago. Okay. What's next?
Lift this up for me.
Oh.
Good. This is just a nice stretch right there. Nice. Take a deep breath in and out.
Mm. 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 Okay, let's just take a nap. Let's just take a nap right here. That was great. Thank you. Mm. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Wait. Mm.
Deep breath in and out.
Ooh. I felt that all the way down in the lung. Oh, wait. Okay. All right. Well, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. I got the strength to get up. Whew. Well, it's very relaxing, guys. Ooh, it feels great. I give off good endorphins with anything, so my relaxation is good. I need to stay for a second.